Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to watch ESPN Plus on Hulu. Now there are two different ways how you can watch it. So you can get a Disney Plus bundle, and in that Disney Plus bundle you will get ESPN Plus and Hulu for free, right? Or what you can do is you can add an ESPN Plus on Hulu for $10 a month. So you're paying for Hulu, but this is kind of like an add-on on Hulu. So you will basically get, for extra $10 a month, ESPN Plus. Now, how can you actually watch ESPN Plus on Hulu, right? After you get that, right, subscribers who sign up for the ESPN Plus add-on and those who sign up for the Disney bundle, as I said before, will be able to access ESPN Plus content from multiple locations in the Hulu app or website, such as you can go to ESP Collection on Home, ESPN Plus Hub, Sports Hub, or Live Guide. Now this is how it looks like right here on the home. You can basically see that you have an ESPN Plus. I will actually open the image in the next tab so you can see it. So as you can see on the home page of Hulu, you will have ESPN Plus right here, as you can see. Or you can go to the sports, and here you can see all the ESPN Plus basically right here, as you can see. Or you have favorites, and here you will be able to see ESPN Plus right here. And you also have ESPN Plus that you can access if you go here, right? You can get ESPN Plus, and then you can access it within Hulu or within ESPN Plus. That's basically how to do it, right? Now, as you know, if you know the specific ESPN Plus content you're looking for, try searching for it by name. In the Hulu app, you will also see any upcoming games available or ESPN Plus listed on team details page. But I would say the best way to do it on your browser if you want to get an ESPN Plus add-on. As you can see, obviously you need to be eligible. You log in into your account page on your web browser. You select Manage Add-ons under your subscription. Under Partner Add-ons, select ESPN Plus, and then select Review Changes to confirm. That's basically how to do it. And then obviously, third-party billing limitations apply. So that's basically how to do it. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.